I got this. I got this shit. All right. What it do, guys? Welcome back to one of the daily videos. Today, we're actually going to be working on the GTR. Like always, like, why am I even saying that? Because this is, like, we always work on this. But I'm actually going to change the caliper color. I did have their last color was a turquoise, and this color is called Daytona Yellow. I did talk to the owner of actually Superwrap, and he sent me out some new colors, Daytona Yellow, and I'm about to use one of their blacks for on a sneaker, actually. But sidetrack from all that, we're gonna be working on it. I'm changing colors because I am changing the color of the car, so it should stand out a little bit more. But if you guys do want to order anything, just go to Superwrap and use my discount. Is that GTR though, if I'm not mistaken, or that GTR 10. I will double check and put it on the link down below. But let's get it going.
¿Sabes, Frank? Si alguna vez quieren asesinarte, no serás difícil de encontrar.
Asesinarme. ¿Quién ya los va a querer matar? Yo nada más tengo amigos.
Uno nunca sabe.
You see? Look at that. Look at that beautiful color. Sheesh. But I should have all this somewhat taped up in 3, 2, 1. And we have it taped up, you see, as best as I could. As nice as I could. As clean as I could get it. And I don't even see the sweat. It's fucking hot in Georgia right now. And I got damn... Oh, there you go. Now, let's put the tape over it. I'm gonna teach you a quick, easy way to do it. So originally you do want to cover all this, but you want to make it pretty easy for yourself. Just put a bag, make a hole big enough to fit the caliper. Like that, like so. Look, there you go. Cover your disc. Cover up here also. So this is my little setup that I have so far. Look, all taped up. Look at that, just like that. It looks too sexy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look. Ooh. Ooh, that. Alright, guys. Catch you in the next video.